All right, our last topic when it comes to acids and bases is buffers. Buffers are solutions that are resistant to change in pH because they are resistant to both acids and bases. How do they do it? Well, they combine the properties of a weak acid or base with its conjugate. So for example, here we have a weak acid and its conjugate base. When an acid is added to this solution, the conjugate base will react with that acid and absorb the proton. When a base is added to this solution, the weak acid will react with that base and again neutralize the hydroxide ion. Now, why don't they just neutralize each other? Because they're not strong enough to. They're both weak. It's a weak acid and a so-so base. So how do we determine the pH of a buffered solution? For that, we have the gold key of the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation states that the pH of a solution will be equal to the pKa of the acid plus the log of the concentration of the conjugate base over the concentration of the weak acid. Similarly, we can calculate the pOH in the case of a base buffered solution by adding the pKb for the base to the log of the conjugate acid of the base divided by the concentration of the base.